I, Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya.
Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya uria wanireire utonga wake urugameire ciringi milioni 600 niwe uma wa gatatu guthurimwo ni kamiti ya bunge ya Wamũrani muthenya wa kana wa kuhungama minister amure.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Oparanya uria utamanirio thitango cia ungumania wa makiria ya bilioni 1.3 ni komishoni ya kuhurana na ungumania ni ateaneirie thitango icio akiuga akoretwo agiciona magatheti-ini na EACC ikoretwo ikimuthukiria ritwa na kwiyethera ngumo nake.
Will corporators' money be safe in your hands?
I have served diligently for 10 years. I've been a minister for 5 years. We have had audit reports. This audit report, there is no report that pointed on me as being a corrupt person.
Oparanya augete ndari andikithia ndumiriri o yothe na komishoni ya kuhurana na ungumania kana agathwo ekinye mbere ya wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
And when they came to my house, it was even not about corruption. The first question they asked, what business do you do with Raila Amolo Odinga? I don't do any business with Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga is just my party leader. That is the only relationship I have with him. Secondly, I was asked, do you keep guns in this house? Obviously, why would I be keeping guns in my house?
Hindi uyo Oparanya uria urari muharine wa mbere kuhurana na kigina gia thirikari kia Hustler Fund riu ni agarurukite na niwe uri muharine wa mbere gugitetera.
How will you handle Hustler Fund? It's in that ministry. What do you think you will do? And you know the way we oppose it very well, me and you on the streets.
I think this fund, if well managed, is a fund that will take our people from poverty. The only problem is that this fund was launched in a hurry without proper legal structures in place.
Oho gavana uyu wa tene wa kaunti ya Kakamega oigite thothaiti nyingi ikoretwo ikihinyiririo no tongoria muru uria utwariririe thothaiti nyingi kuhatikwo ni murigo wa mathiri undu uria ekung'ethanira naguo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.